You've probably heard of people being allergic to cats, but what if I told you that some cats are actually allergic to humans? Yep, it's not just a one-way street. Imagine your furry friend could be sneezing or scratching, not because of dust or pollen, but because of, you guessed it, you. Sounds unbelievable, right? Alright, let's break this down. Cats can actually have allergic reactions to things in their environment, and that includes humans. Now, before you start worrying, it's not like your cat is allergic to you specifically, more like they could be reacting to things we humans carry around. Just like we can be allergic to cat dander, cats can be allergic to the stuff we leave behind. Think of things like perfumes, colognes, lotions, or even the chemicals from soaps or shampoos. These particles can build up in the air or on our skin, and when your cat greets you by rubbing up against your legs, it's their way of saying hello, but also the moment they might start inhaling particles from those products. And just like that, their allergies could be triggered.